Are you still trying to figure out how to change models in Claude Code? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you really quickly how to change models, whether that's to increase the model or decrease the model, depending on your token usage and your purposes. So check it out. So all you got to do is go to your terminal and you want to get to the prompt and you want to type Claude first. And then I want to type in /model, pops up for you, and it gives you different choices of models that you want to be able to use. But if you notice, it'll show you the actual current model usage and everything like that. But down here, you can either use your arrow key or you can type the number and it will go to the particular model that you want. Once you figure out the model that you want, just hit enter and it will change the model for you. And yeah, it's really simple, you know, not very complex. The commands, you'll get to know them as you use it a lot more. So if you have any other questions about vibe coding or figuring out how to create things with Claude Code and other models, let me know, hit me up in the link, and I'll talk to you soon.